how to create a new mail template. Click it here. This is a, you have to give the template name, your email ID, subject line.
Here you need to mention the job description in details so candidate can understand what is the exact job role. Here you need to fill all the details like job title, experience, location, salary range, everything which is required to be understood by the candidate before applying.
I am taking to the enter operations in the portal for a recruiter. Let's go one by one. The template you have seen all the times. Then home, there's a home. Then find candidate, advanced search, manage search, immediate joiners. Recent searches, you will get it. Recent search, whatever we have searched. Then recent searches, accounts executive, tele counselor. So this is portal. The person who was searching, who was looking for the this type of candidate. Save search. So if you save the search, again you need to say 2 days after 2 days. You needed to do this same searching once again. So it will be opening the old search. Okay? This much of candidates are coming in this parameter. So what you have seen, we have seen the how to search CVs, how to do job posting, and how to do mail blast. Mail blast, there are two types of mail blast. One is the candidates who have come, who have applied to the job.
You can communicate these candidates by calling, sending SMS or WhatsApp or by mail.
Again, you can select up to 160 characters. So number of CVs will be coming in a page much bigger. So it will be easier for most of the cases by easy person. So you have seen how to do job posting, folders, manage folders, create folder response to candidates. So this is all the thing you are getting. Download branded resume, email. You can send emails, new mail template. You can make a template from here. Manage template. So you can edit, delete, whatever as per your wishes. SMS tablet. If you have the pack, then directly from this portal you can send SMS to the candidate. IVR template. The candidates can listen, may be allowed to listen the all in IVR. We have to fix the IVR first, then we have to go for the vision. So that's for today. Thanks for watching.